Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my popcorn chicken. Okay, so for this recipe I'm using one whole chicken breast, but you can use as much as you want. It depends on how much you're making. And I just cut it into about 1/2 inch to 1 inch pieces. I'm not really going to give you exact measurements for this, I'm just giving you ideas so that way you can use whatever you want. When it comes to seasoning the chicken, these are some of the things I like to use. I like to use this complete seasoning. I always have this on hand, and this has salt, onion, garlic, and a bunch of other spices. Or this seasoned salt, I use this on almost everything. Or this adobo seasoning, I like to use this on my salmon, but I like this on my chicken also. This is just to give you an idea, so just use your favorite seasoning. Today I'm only putting complete seasoning. Sometimes I just want something easy. I don't want to come up with something. I just want to use a seasoning blend, so I just use my favorite one. I would say there's no right or wrong way to do this, just use what you like. To coat the chicken, you're going to need a bag to put some flour in. The amount of flour you're going to need depends on how much chicken you're making. So I'm just putting enough to coat the chicken 2 times. So the way I like to do it is just to put all the chicken in the bag and just put some air in the bag and shake it really well. I like using a bag because I feel like it's less messy, and when it coats the chicken, it gets every part of the chicken. Now I'm going to beat 1 egg. Like I said, if you're making a lot, you're going to need more. Now all you have to do is shake off the excess flour from the chicken and drop it into the egg. If you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff in my stories over there, so come follow me. Mix that really well until all the chicken is coated with the egg. I'm so glad I started making my own popcorn chicken at home because it's so easy to make. I can season it how I want, I can eat as much as I want, and it's a lot cheaper. Okay, now I'm going to put back the chicken in the flour to coat it one more time. This time I'm not putting all the chicken in the bag because I don't want it to stick up. I want each piece to get well coated with the flour. This is why I like using the bag because it does a really good job of coating each piece. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate it if you would consider subscribing. Now I'm going to fry these in my preheated fryer. I had my fryer set on 360 degrees Fahrenheit. And a good tip is to put your basket in the oil when you're heating up the fryer. That way when you put the food in it, it won't stick to the basket. I'm not frying all at once, I'm just frying half of the amount that I have here. I'm going to fry this for 5 minutes. If you don't have a fryer, it's worth getting one, I'm telling you. I use it all the time and I fry so many things, and I fry a lot of things in the same oil, and I don't throw my oil away until it's dirty. Oh my goodness, look how good these look, and that took no time at all. I always get asked about my fryer, but they don't sell this one anymore, so I'm going to leave a similar one linked below for you. I don't really have any special sauce I like to eat this with. At this moment, I like a mixture of ketchup and sriracha. I so wish I could share with you guys. These are so good. Oh my goodness. So easy to make and so good. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. It helps to get my videos out there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.